Hello, my name's Alan. I'm with All About Stocks, and I'm still trying to get everything set up for my YouTube channel. So please bear with me. So I'm sure most of y'all do know the top 10 stocks with the QQQ, but some of y'all probably don't know the rest of the stocks. So let's go ahead and dive into the rest of the stocks here. Let's look at how the rest of them are faring. Now, as y'all do know, the NASDAQ has been kind of on a dive here lately. Now, I believe Comcast has been going down here lately. I believe Costco's up quite a bit here recently. That Walmart's been kind of on a nosedive as well. I'm not too sure how Broadcom's been doing. I think Broadcom overall has been up. Now, I'm not talking about on a 52-week overall, because if you look overall from the last, since 2020, everything's pretty much up. But now, if you're just looking from like a 52-week, I'm pretty sure Broadcom's up. Now, PepsiCo's they're up now. Coke, I know Coke's not on here, but Coke, their competitor, they haven't really moved. They haven't moved since I believe 2020. So if you look at comparison, they I think Coke, they're at I think they've been at like $55 since 2020, even when they did the nosedive. So that's something you might want to kind of look at. And they also have a pretty good dividend too. Now, I believe even PayPal, they've kind of took a nosedive too. I'm going to kind of bounce around here a little bit too, because I'm sure if you're an investor, most of these, you're probably pretty aware of most of these. Now, they did just do a sell on Starbucks. I believe Charter, they're up for the 52 weeks. But I'd kind of be weary on Charter, because they just did AT&T, and they just did that thing where for the 5G they just halted. So I'd just kind of be a little weary on Charter too. They might have to they might do a sell on Charter. So I'd just kind of be a little bit weary on that. And that's my personal opinion. And once again, this is all personal opinion. This isn't financial advice, so just keep that in mind. Now, Micron, MU. So that's that really hasn't moved much for the most part. So I think Nancy Pelosi, she did a call for at 50 for it might have been 50-55 for September. So that might be something you might want to look at too. Now, Lululemon, that I think that's down also. And IDX, I remember back in 2020, that was all the rage that IDX, there was the $2 share one, and then there's the big one. So I don't know. And here's the one that really caught my interest. This is the reason I really wanted to do this this video. Dr. Pepper. So Dr. Pepper here in Texas, man, we have no Dr. Pepper. I have to drive like 45 minutes to go find Dr. Pepper. I cannot find it. Now, once again, I wanted to do a video on Dr. Pepper, but it's kind of hard to do just, a video itself on just Dr. Pepper. Now, like I said, I have to drive like 45 minutes to find Dr. Pepper, multiple stops. Now, I believe Dr. Pepper, for the most part, is down. And I want to say, yeah, buy Dr. Pepper, but, you got the constraints issue, and once again, if you watched my video the other day, I'm still a little bit sick. So, excuse me, I'm doing the best I can here. But, yeah, I'm one of the big Dr. Pepper drinkers. So, I have to have Dr. Pepper. So, I went to go get Dr. Pepper at Walgreens the other day, and they had like 2 left, and there's another guy who drove another 30 minutes the opposite direction, and I split the Dr. Pepper with him, and no one can find Dr. Pepper anywhere, and I'm in Fort Worth, so yeah, it's crazy. So I don't know when that's coming back. That's been a problem since the pandemic hit. It's been crazy. Walmart doesn't have it. No one has it. So I can't believe the stock price just hasn't soared. I started buying it up, and I lost my rear on Dr. Pepper, and it's just crazy. Anyway, so moving on from that, you got Marriott, and they keep on saying the pandemic's over. We're not going to shut down anymore. COVID's just going to be another flu. Well, okay. If that's the case, well, the flu hasn't been killing people in record numbers. So if we're just going to go back to living life normally and get back to life, well, I don't know if I would be investing in hospitality and then going in travel stocks. If we're going to go back to living life normally, I think I'm going to go invest in healthcare. With people dying in record numbers, I don't know if people are going to be traveling. It just doesn't make sense to me. But at the same time, you do. Everyone is retiring, and that's why the jobs keep on dropping off. So yeah, I mean, people might start going on trips a lot more. I mean, it's kind of a give and take issue. So it can go either way. But and Zoom video goes with the whole, hey, if people are retiring and if they're taking trips, hey, Zoom video might be the future way to talk also. So, you might want to look at that one too. And, we did just talk about me buying at Walgreens because, hey, no one else has anything. But, and there was a story the other day about someone doing murdering on a dating website. I don't know if it was a specific one. I'm just saying it happened. Anyways, I'm still trying to set everything up. I'm still locked at a 10-minute time restraint, so I do apologize about that. But please subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video, and happy trading, and have a great day. I'm going to scroll down here so you can see the rest of the stocks. Have a great day.